Dear cherished souls, in this sacred realm, we unite under the vast sky, an emblem of our shared home, our planet we call Earth. Today, we heed a call, a plea not from one voice, but from the chorus of life itself. This planet, our shared cradle of existence, whispers and sometimes roars for our attention, care, and love. In every faith and spiritual path, our Earth is not just a backdrop to our lives, but a central character in our spiritual narratives. Whether it's the Garden of Eden in Christianity and Judaism, the sacred groves of paganism, the dharmic concept of Mother Earth in Hinduism and Buddhism, or the Islamic view of the earth as a mosque, a place of worship, all speak of a deep reverence for this world. Nature, in its profound wisdom, is sending us warning signs: the melting ice caps, the raging fires, the destructive hurricanes, and sadly, the disappearing species. These are not merely environmental issues, they are moral and spiritual calls to action. They implore us to awaken, to recognize that we are not separate from this earth, but together, an integral part of it. The sacred texts and teachings across religions echo a similar message: to be stewards of this earth. In the Bible, we are reminded to tend and keep the garden, a directive to care for our planet. The Bhagavad Gita teaches us that life is a cycle, and respecting all beings is essential to maintain harmony in this cycle. The Quran urges us to not spread corruption on the earth. These are not just words, they are a compass for all of our actions. Today, I call upon each of you, regardless of your faith, to embrace a path of environmental stewardship, to see the divine in the rustling leaves, the flowing rivers, and the chirping birds. We must listen to their plea for help and healing. It is a call to transform our lifestyles, to choose sustainability over consumption, kindness over indifference, and action over apathy. Let us create a heaven on earth, not just in our prayers but in our actions. Plant a tree, protect a species, reduce your carbon footprint, educate others, and most importantly, nurture a heart full of compassion and empathy. For in every act of environmental kindness, we are not just saving the planet, we are saving ourselves. As we step forth from this gathering, let us carry with us a commitment to be guardians of this magnificent earth, a promise to each other and to the generations to come. May our footsteps on this planet be gentle, our hearts full of love, and our actions a testament to the respect we hold for all life. In peace and unity, we can heal this world, stitch by stitch, leaf by leaf, heartbeat by heartbeat. Together, let us walk this path of stewardship, guided by the wisdom of our diverse beliefs, united in our common love for this planet. Blessings and love. Thank you for being here. Please share this message.